Well, if today's the day, you know, you served your purpose. It's so sad to see it go. Honestly, if it sells today, it's gonna be sad, but you know, I really did have good memories on this bike. I've met a lot of good people. You know, this was the reason I started the YouTube channel. This right here. So if it goes, yeah, of course it'll be sad, but I mean, I don't really have time to ride it. This might be our last ride if he buys it today, if he shows up with cash. I don't know what to say. I feel like I would have a lot more to say about this bike. You know, I took really good care of it. I've almost died several times on this bike. It's taking good care of me. I've taken good care of it, and there'll be more like it. So Ellie, you served your purpose. Man, I gotta soak this ride in if this is it. It's weird. It rides so smooth, and it's got so much response. I mean, it goes on a dime, and I'm gonna miss that because I got my little 125 Grom that's slow as a turd. So it'll definitely be a lot different. Well, we're nearing the end of our ride already. This could be it. You never know. It rides so much differently too. And the levers are strong, they're not spongy. That's probably our guy right there with the trailer. Are you Billy? I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you, bud. So, that's the bike. I didn't know you were gonna trailer it. Yeah. This is Captain America. I don't know if you know that. So, it's also got on the tank, yeah, the tank protector. It's got the Captain America shield on that too. Yeah, it's subtle. I really like it. I forget about it all the time too, but it works really well. Carbon fiber. So.
Yeah, I'll take it.
You'll take it? All right, sounds good, brother. So, I got all the paperwork in the truck, so.
What do you want? I've been waiting 3 years.
Well, good. I'm happy for you.
Wait 3 years? Yes. I was gonna get one 3 years ago. Life happened.
Yeah.
Guess this ain't your first bike. Oh, it actually is.
Your first bike. That's what I learned on, man. Oh, this is so depressing. Keep it together. You're almost done. You're in the final stretch, bro. Yep. There it goes. And this bike's loud enough, it'll keep you safe, alright? If you ever get into a situation, rev the bike before you honk the horn. That horn's really quiet. Wow, this is surreal. I appreciate it, buddy. Be safe. Good luck. Have fun, man. It brought me a lot of fun, so I hope it brings you a lot of fun. Oh my gosh. Hey, bud, I forgot to give you this. There you go. See ya. Oh, that's so sad.